What's going on, guys? It's Jesse at Humble Crew Auto Spa. Today I wanted to walk you around this really cool car. This is a 2019 Volkswagen Golf R, finished in Lapis Blue, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. He actually uses this car every single day. He has kids in the vehicle, but this is his special car and he wanted to treat it as so. So our client brought this car to us with almost 30,000 miles on the clock. The front end already sustained some rock chips and whatnot. It is a little peppered, but it's not too bad. And so our client came in, had us do our full 2-step paint correction to revive this finish, to give this Lapis Blue a chance to shine again. Then he had us seal it with our 7-year System X ceramic coating. Now what I love about this ceramic coating is its incredible chemical resistance, which means that this car can really go long periods of time without being washed. The coating will hold up, it'll protect it from things like bug guts and bird poop. And when he does wash it, the car is gonna look like this again. And so it is his daily driver, and he's not gonna baby it per se, but he also doesn't wanna neglect it, right? And so the 7-year ceramic coating package restored his finish, then sealed it in to give it this incredible gloss. And so if you have a cool car that you want to restore and protect this way, hit us up. We are booking right now into May, so we're getting very busy. But if you want to take care of your car, we want you as a client. It's Jesse at Humble Crew Auto Spa, signing out.